I've started the video. Okay, up we go. Good indication. I've got red lights at the rear, blue at the front. If the video is recording correctly, then the rear red lights will blink alternatively, which is what they're doing. So that's telling me that man, that is windy. Whoa, that's getting blown around. Right, that's just dropped 5 or 6 feet just with the wind. And there's 11 satellites holding that in position. Gives you some idea of the strength of the wind out here. Alright, I'll take it up a bit. Spinning around. Those birds you can hear are goannas. There's absolutely thousands of them around here at the moment. Going away. Whoa. I just want to see if the return to home brings it back into a reasonable spot. Okay, I've just pushed return to home, and here it comes. I don't know, I think it's just too windy today. This is ridiculous. So, I might just switch that off, I think. Yes, very windy. Alright. I'm just bringing it down now. Okay, switch it off. Switch off the video.